We live in a time of big change. New tools are changing how we move. They are changing how we work. Some of these new tools blend with our bodies. They can help us lift heavy objects. They can help us feel delicate textures. They can perform small, soft jobs too. Many people fear these new technologies. They worry about what this change means. Some myths spread very quickly. We will look at these myths and the facts. We will focus on soft robots. We will look at wearable exoskeletons, and we will explore the role of AI in our bodies and our work. Imagine a future scene. A rescue worker walks through a fallen building. She wears a lightweight frame on her body. It helps her lift heavy beams with ease. There is a common myth about robots. The myth says, robots are only hard metal machines. Many people picture robots as loud, clunky, cold, and stiff. This image comes from old movies and from factories. In that view, robots are dangerous, powerful but not gentle. That myth makes people afraid to have robots at home or nearby. But that picture is becoming outdated. Many new robots are soft, gentle, and flexible. They're made from soft materials, special rubbers, fabrics, plastics. They are designed to squeeze, stretch, and bend, moving more like living things. That makes them much safer around people. A soft robot can pick fruit without bruising it. It can handle a fragile glass without breaking it. Soft robots are now used in hospitals, on farms, and in food production. They make work kinder and safer for the humans beside them. Another myth has spread about wearable technology. The myth is that wearable exoskeletons will make people weak. Some people fear that if machines help us lift, we will lose our own strength. They imagine exoskeletons will make workers lazy. The body will become dependent on the machine. Over time, our muscles will get weaker. This fear comes from misunderstanding the technology's purpose. The fact is, exoskeletons augment human strength. They also protect the human body. A wearable exoskeleton is a frame worn on the body. It can help people lift very heavy things. It takes strain off the back and legs. The device supports the user's joints and muscles. This can dramatically cut down on workplace injuries. For an older adult, it can mean walking more easily and safely. For a factory worker, it can add many more years of healthy, productive work. The worker still guides the movement. The worker still uses their own muscles, but the exoskeleton carries most of the load. They're much less likely to get hurt. This is human-machine teaming. A very powerful myth surrounds artificial intelligence. People fear that AI will fully replace human jobs. We often see headlines that say millions of jobs will vanish. The fear is that smart machines will learn to do everything humans can do. They will do it faster, better, cheaper. This creates a picture of a future with mass unemployment. Humans will become obsolete. But it leaves out the most important part of the story. The relationship is more complex than simple replacement. The fact is that AI will change jobs. It will also create new kinds of roles for people. AI acts as the brain for many modern robots. It helps them see the world, learn from it. It can make tasks easier and much faster. But people still bring essential qualities to the work. We bring creativity, common sense, empathy, complex judgment, a sense of ethics. AI is very good at repetitive or data-heavy tasks. It can take over the boring parts of a job. This frees people up to do more creative and caring work. New jobs in robot design, repair, training will appear. The AI is a tool that enhances the surgeon's skill. It does not replace the surgeon's judgment or humanity. One of the biggest questions is about fairness. We must also think about who gets access to these tools. Not all people will get this new technology at the same time. This could create a new kind of inequality. Jobs in some places may change much faster than in others. We need to prepare for this. We need good training programs for new skills. We need support systems for workers who face big changes. We need public rules and policies. These rules must ensure that technology is used in a way that is safe and fair for everyone in society. A core moral idea should guide us. This idea is simple. Tools should make life better for all people. Machines should not be used to cause harm. They should help humans grow and flourish. This simple idea can guide our policies and our designs. It can guide the choices made by companies. It can shape what we teach in our schools. As we build these new human-machine teams, we must keep this principle at the center. The goal is not just to be more efficient. The goal is to build a better, more humane world for everyone. The human-machine team redefines what skill means. In the past, skill often meant physical strength, speed. In the future, skill will mean other things. It will mean the ability to work with an AI. It will mean teaching a robot a new task. It will mean using an exoskeleton safely and effectively. It will mean bringing human judgment to a process that is partly automated. The most valuable workers will be those who can bridge the gap. They will be the ones who understand human goals, the machine's capabilities. This brings us to a final myth. The myth is that machines will take over our bodies. Some people imagine a future where machines control us. But the fact is that human-machine teams are the most likely future. Most systems will be designed to help people, not control them. Designers are thinking about safety first. Laws and regulations will also be created to protect people. We will teach our machines our values, our goals. We will build systems that work with us, not against us. So, what does this all mean for us? We have seen that myths can make us fearful. They paint a dark picture of the future. But the facts show us what is really happening. The facts show us a more hopeful path. The future body is not just a machine. It is a human being working together with a tool. It is a team.